Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is my favorite things. The co-host is Jessica Myrose. This month I have chosen to do my favorite fall decor trends for 2022. Let me know what some of your favorite fall decor is for 2022. Check out the playlist and see what everybody else's favorite things are for this month. Hey everybody, this is my favorite things. For this month, I'm going to show you some of my favorite things in fall decor. And some of them are things that are trending this year. One of them is pampas grass. They're using a lot of different grasses like this. Let me show you. Like this and like this in decor this year. I really like it. Also, the kind of trend color this year is the pinks and the burgundies together, which I also think is really pretty. Like the rustic pinks and burgundies together. I really think that's cute. They even have pink velvet pumpkins and gray velvet pumpkins. Those were from the Dollar Tree, which was really impressive. These are from Michael's, and I think those are gorgeous colors together. And instead of the real bright fall leaves, they have the more rustic and white and gold colors. I think that's really pretty. That's one of my favorite things for this year. The pampas grass is number one, and the burgundies and pink colors. But I also, well, if you know my channel and you know me, you know that this is another thing that I really like for fall. Turquoise. They have a lot of the turquoise leopard print and leopard print. So I guess that's two too. The leopard print and the turquoise together. I really enjoy that. And that's pretty. And I'm going to show you two items that I made with those trends. Next. Here's one of the wreaths I made using the pampas grass and the pinks that I really like for the fall season. It's definitely one of my favorite things is these colors. And they're really trendy for this year. The naturals with the pink and the burgundy is very trendy this season. Here's another one of my favorite things. The turquoise with the leopard print. This is made into a wreath. I think this is really pretty for the fall season to decorate with the leopard and the turquoise. Okay, my next favorite thing is I love dishes from the Dollar Tree. These are some navy blue dishes from the Dollar Tree. They're great for if you're entertaining for a fall party or even Thanksgiving. This is one pattern. They also have a sunflower pattern that they had last year that's really nice. You can even use those in the summertime because sunflowers to me are anytime. They make me happy. These says, gather here with a grateful heart. And I thought these were really cute. They're navy blue, which is a popular color this year too. And another thing I got for decor this fall, because I use a lot of these tea candles. And the thing is I was always buying batteries. So I got these, and they have two different sequences They got where they look like candles. And they also have one where they're just solid. And you can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or 6 hours, or you can have them on just in the dark or just in daylight. But I thought it was really nice because I was always buying a ton of batteries and they just recharge. That is my favorite things for this month. Make sure to check out Jessica, My Roses channel. Also check out the playlist in the description box and see what everybody else's favorite things are for this month.